Let's learn how to remove YouTube channel permanently. So let's get started. Make sure you have selected the right YouTube channel. As you can see here, this is the name of my YouTube channel which I want to delete. If you want to remove another channel, you can simply click on switch account and select the channel you want. I want to delete this channel. After that, click on YouTube Studio. Here you can see settings, then click on channel and then click on advanced settings. Here you can see remove YouTube content. Click it here. Here I need to write my password. After entering my password, you can see I want to hide my channel. I want to permanently delete my content. Because we want to permanently delete our content, so we click it here. We can read this. After reading this, we can check it and then click on delete my content. Here we need to write our email address and click on delete my content. Your content is being deleted. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.